Hi, this is Stuart from TX3Webs, and in this video we are looking at how to install Plesk Laravel Toolkit. But first, before we begin the install tutorial, let's have a look at what Laravel is. Laravel is an open source PHP framework which provides built-in features making it easier and quicker to develop web applications. Features include a modular packaging system with dependency management, automatic testing, a complete authentication system, and Homestead, a portable virtual development environment. Laravel implements the Model View Control Architecture pattern, MVC, as part of its design. Essentially, the app you are developing is broken down into three parts. These parts are the model, which is your data, the view, which is where you view and modify said data, and finally the controller, which is the operations that can be performed on the data. There are advantages when using MVC architecture. For example, the code is split into logical areas and is more organized and easier to debug. This allows the creation of more streamlined apps which ultimately run quicker. As Laravel is PHP based, you are required to know PHP in order to use it. You are not, however, required to know PHP in order to host Laravel. For that, we have the subject of this video, the Laravel Toolkit. In this example, we are going to begin from scratch and first create a domain. So, first thing to do is simply log into your Plesk panel. Ensure you have selected the Websites and Domains tab from the left-hand side menu. Then click on Add Domain. Once selected, you are presented with two options, Registered Domain Name or Temporary Domain Name. In this example, we are going to go with Temporary Domain Name, which will generate a random domain for us to use. Simply ensure web hosting is selected here and click Add Domain, and we're ready for the next step. Okay, once our temporary domain is installed, we can now move on to installing Laravel. To begin, click on Install Laravel Application. Plesk will ask you to choose between installing a default Laravel application or pulling the application from a remote Git repository. In this example, we will install a skeleton application, so click Install Application to begin. And that is the first part complete. We now have a domain with Laravel installed, and the next step is to create a database. To begin, click Manage Domain, which will take us back to the main dashboard. Now we can select the Database tab from the top menu and click on Add Database. First, enter your database name. While here, select the related site, which will make it easier in the future when you may well have multiple databases and sites. Enter your username and create a strong password, keeping a record of it. Once you have clicked OK, we now need to tell the Laravel application how to connect to our new database. From the main dashboard, click Manage Laravel Application. From here, click .env to open the file and add our newly created database credentials. As you can see, we only need to add our database name that we have just set, our database username and password. Final step is to run the artisan migrate command to migrate the database. The advantage of Laravel is that there is no need to go into SSH, as you can simply do this from within the application itself. Select the artisan tab from the top menu, then click migrate, and the command will show from the list of preloaded options. Click on the arrow to complete the installation. And there we have it. It really is that simple. Plesk Laravel Toolkit makes the whole process quick and easy, and all via the Plesk user interface. You have now installed a domain and database and have a working Laravel application. This has been Stuart from TX3Webs. Please like and subscribe if you have found the video helpful, and please look out for future videos. Thanks again for watching, and goodbye for now.